So I have this nightlight kit. I'm going to start by painting the frame in chocolate. This is the top portion, and I did wipe it back with some baby wipes. And then I'm going to go into the second layer and paint this in Snow Owl, emphasizing the snowflake and the icicle drippings. The rest is going to get covered. I took the ring that's going to go on the back and painted it in chocolate as well. And once everything dries, I'm going to take some glue and I'm going to glue the top chocolate frame on top of the white portion. Then I'm going to add the little ring in the back. And then I'm going to take these night lights. You can get these right at the Dollar General. They're 5 and change. They come in a pack of 3. I'm going to take one out. I'm going to take the globe off. You're going to take the bulb out. And then there's this white ring that sits on top. You're going to put it through the wooden ring. You're going to slip that centerpiece back on and add the bulb. And that's it. Now you have this cute little nightlight. It is a sensor light, so it shuts off during the day and turns on automatically at night. And thanks so much for your purchase.